Hi, this is Kashvanisa Bagewari. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about Amazon DynamoDB scan part 2. This is a lab video, and in this video, I am going to show you how to evaluate scan operations from AWS Console. So I am on my AWS Console, and you can see here I am having one table movie. I am going to show you my table details. So here my table name is movie and my primary partition key is title. It is of type string, and my primary sort key is released year and it is type of number. So these are my table details, and now I'm going to click on this items tab. So whenever I click on this items tab, DynamoDB by default evaluates scan operations and it returns all the items from your table. So it is now returning me all the items from my movie table. So now you can see here I am having 5 items in my table. And so it is by default scan is selected. In our previous video I show you about the query. So if you want to evaluate query, you can select query option from here. And for this scan, I am going to select here scan. So we can evaluate our scan operation from this panel. So it is showing me by default scan, and it for the table movie and title and release year are nothing but my primary key and sort key. So I'm going to show you how we can add filter expression. So you can click on this add filter button, and now you can add filter expression like attribute name. You can add attribute name here. We can select data type for our attribute. We can select operator for our attribute, and we can provide the value for which we want to match the condition and return the result. So for this filter expression, you can use any attribute, either it is primary key or sort key or any other rather than primary key and sort key. So any attribute you are free to use in filter expression. So for this example, for this demo purpose, I am using released year. So I want to get all the records, all the items, all the movies which are released in 2013. So I am going to pass here released year as my attribute, and I am going to select its data type. It is of type number, and operator here you can see there are multiple options are available for operator, like equals to, not equals to. You can check here and you can use any one of them as per your requirement, and you can provide a value for it. So for release year I want to pass 2013. So it will return me all the movies which are released in 2013. To get the result, I am going to click on this start search button. So yeah, you can see here I got my result. So it is returning me the movies which are released in 2013. I can add more filter expression as well by clicking on this button, and it adds the with and condition. So it returns all the items from my table which matches the first condition and the second condition. So it will return only those items which matches both the conditions. So here you can see here added the AND operator. So if you want to use OR, so from AWS Console it is not possible. From AWS SDK you can use OR operator as well. So here with the AND, now I want to pass ratings, suppose. So I want to get all the movies which are released in 2013 and which having the ratings, suppose 8.2. So you can see here I am having 2 records with 2013 and ratings are 8.2. So I am expecting here these 2 records in my result cells, this one and this one. So now let's click on this start search button. So something is wrong. Rating. Oh, here is I not get the results because here my data type is wrong. So my ratings is data type number. So if you pass the wrong data type, you cannot get your result. So I am going to just click on the number. So that is data type for my ratings attribute. And now I'm going to click on star search. Yeah, now you can see I got my 2 records. So the movies which are released in 2013 and of having ratings 8.2. So you can use any other operators as well. Suppose I want to select 8 not equals to 8.2. So it will give me opposite result. Yeah, you can see. Now it is release year is equals to 2013, but rating is not equals to 8.2. So it is giving me the result like this. So in this way you can add many filters, and you can provide your attribute details for that like this. If you don't want, you want to remove, you can just click on this close button and you can remove your filter expression. And one thing you may be notice here, in a query we are having here sorting option. In scan there is sorting option is not available. So by default scan operation returns in ascending order, and you cannot get result in descending order. So that is not possible with scan. It is possible with only query. And in this way you can evaluate your scan operations from your DynamoDB table. So I hope you like this. If you are having any query, any questions, you can ask me in comment section. See you next time. Bye bye.